Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make smooth sliding text animation in Davinci Resolve. And click on Fusion. Then click this icon to create a text plus node. Go over to Inspector and type in your text. Right click and select Follower. Click on Modifiers and select the Shading tab. Then click the keyframe button for opacity and position offset X. Double-click follower and lower Y position to minus zero point 0.3. Then reduce the opacity by 0. Move your time slider ahead 10 or 15 frames and change the opacity to 100%. And offset Y should be set to 0. Click on timing and expand order. Then select left to right. Now modify delay to 2.0. Click on spine and select text 1 from the menu. Then click zoom to fit to view your keyframe curves. Now hold Ctrl and push A. Then click the curve area and select ease out cubic. And you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make smooth sliding text animation in Davinci Resolve. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.